Here's a simple fall craft to make harvest candy corn branches. You'll need candy corn, your hot glue gun, some sturdy branches, and a glass vase or other container. I grabbed these branches while out for a walk. I will break the branches to make sure they are not too long. Glue a few candy corn to the end of the branches. When using multiple candies, I found it easy to glue the candies together first and then glue them to the branch. Make sure your branch ends aren't too thin so they can support the weight of the candy corn. Insert the branches and add more candy corn to the jar to hide the bottom of the branches. Display in your home and this craft is complete. Thanks for watching and make sure to like and subscribe.